Alright.
Lucas, come on. Lucas, Alright, dude, Lucas, you're about to give this girl's number, right?
You on video?
No, yeah.
No, it's playing now. No, it's not playing now. No, I don't. Give me 2 seconds. Hold on. Give me a second.
But you just dropped the phone.
I gotta look up the thing. No, just over there, dude. Oh my God.
Hey, what's your name?
No, that's your butt, dude. No, that's butt, dude. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Let me get some digits, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna get all of them. Dude.
Hey, come here. You. What's your name?
What's your number?
Sadie?
Let me get your number. Cause I'm on it. Come on. Let me get your number.
Look at. Just give it to him. He likes you.
Oh yeah, I need to tell you something. Tell your body or something. You say I can see it.
Dude, what?
What?
Oh.
Dude, when you take a shirt off.
Sorry to everybody else.
Dude, call it. See if it goes off. Call it, dude. Dude, call it. Are you calling it?
I'm gonna call it.
Go ahead, don't do it.
I didn't call it. Yeah, call it. Hold on. What's your name? What's your name? Hmm?
Oh, we're not messing with her.
No, yeah.
Lucas. Lucas, don't you like that girl?
How old are you?
13, could be 14, like 2 days.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You seriously gonna be 13? I'm already 13.
What's your name?
Sadie.
Sadie. Hey, Sadie. Sadie?
Yeah,
Dude, is that really your number?
Hold on, what was it? 770-668-41?
4151.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah, that's cool.
Y'all should hook up, man. He's in high school, man.
She's from 8th grade. She got cut back. She's only in 9th. She did. We promised. We not even lying. She got cut back. She's supposed to be.
What grade did you fail?
First grade.
Tell me I'm 9th grade with 13 in our school.
Yeah,
I'm not 13. I said I was 13.
What's your name?
I felt second grade.
You failed second
I
grade?
felt first. I felt first.
Why you think you were 13?
Hey, Sadie, do you like him? Speak
Tell
up!
the
Speak up!
truth.
Oh, yeah.
She said yes. Okay, I'm gonna say exactly what she said. When you took your shirt off, she was like, and she walked away.
It's all good. It's all good. A lot of people do.
Oh.
Hey, what's your name?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie? You like me.
Oh.
How old are you?
That's bullshit. Like bullet.
You're 10?
Dude, that's like freaking right. He got
I was about to say, he's too old for me.
Oh, dude, you just got told off by like a 10-year-old. Hey, what elementary school you go to? What? Huh?
Record this. Alright. I'm about to roll it up like this. Let me get you.
She rolled around with crazy people at night.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's awesome.
So don't ever break up with her.
Just get away from you. I don't need to be killed right now. I don't need to be killed. I need to. Nah, it'd be funny. You should see them fighting for real. They were fighting for real. You just see them they were fighting for real. Then they was punching each other.
That's what's up.
They just had that ball.
What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
8th.
What school you go to?
Austin.
I know a bunch of people. You know Haley Gagnon?
I know a girl named Haley.
Are a lot of white people in the building?
Yeah.
Her hair talks about right there.
Yeah. Well, she's white.
Name a black chick that's got blonde hair.
Did he text you? Call her.
She's actually not that good.
No, it's off. No.
Can't really turn it off. I'm turning it on.
She's gonna go tell her mom some hot shit girls.
What if you were like, you said you were 13? I'm like, I'm 12. Be like, who your mom is?
You leaving? Alright. Go give your girl a hug, Lucas.
Hey, little girl. I mean, Sadie. You like him? Yes. Okay. And you can't try monkey, so
Sadie, he said he wants a hug. Give him a hug, Sadie.
Oh, God, dude, you will do it.
Oh, y'all look so cute together. Baby, come back.
he's playing with her.